Welcome to February series of ingredients. Stay glued to our channel. Let's dive into the world of ingredients and their incredible benefits. First up, we have turmeric, a golden spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's like nature's pain reliever, perfect for soothing sore muscles. Then there's honey, a natural sweetener packed with antioxidants. It not only adds flavor, but also boosts your immune system. Next, we can't forget about spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, promoting healthy skin and strong bones. And let's talk about avocados. Rich in healthy fats, they support heart health and keep your skin glowing. Finally, chia seeds are tiny but mighty, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, making them fantastic for digestion. Each ingredient brings its own magic to the table, enhancing our health in delicious ways.